Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, December 2nd. I'm going to be analyzing the Euro US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But also, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to get access to my swing trade setups, my daily members-only live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course are included for only $30 per month. So anyways, on the Euro dollar monthly, I still think this is impulsive up. I think it's a wave one, but I always label it as a one or an A. I think we're in a crescent to that move up, which is either a B or a two. I think it's a 1-2, and I think it's eventually going to go up and make a wave three, a wave four, and a wave five. Eventually looking something like this to complete what I think is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of wave C. So this would be the A, this would be the B, and I think we need to make 5 waves up for an expanding flat wave C. So let's take it down to the weekly time frame. So on the weekly time frame, I still think this is a double three pattern. So 3 waves down for A, 3 waves up for B, and I still think it looks like 5 waves down for C. We are at a Fibonacci level, and we did grab all this liquidity right here. So I mean, if it does make like a double bottom at a Fib level and then an impulsive up and a break of structure, that probably would be the end of the trend. But until we see this picture right here, we got to keep in mind that it could drift down to any one of these Fib levels. I mean, it could end up making a lower high, going down and making the 3, 4, 5 shape at this Fibonacci level, or the 78% Fib level. So the trend is definitely still down for now. Going down to the daily time frame, even on the daily time frame, we do not have a break of structure to the upside. We are still in a downtrend. We got our Fibonacci retracement on this move right here, looking for a possible end of a crescent and another sorting opportunity. Taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. So on the 4 hour time frame, this move up is looking pretty impulsive, and it did go above the 78%, which makes me think that it probably will eventually go up and break this high. I think what's going on right here is that this is like an A. We're probably going to drift down and make a crescent to this move up like a wave B. Maybe end up looking something like that. And then eventually we probably will go up and break structure for the wave C, but I bet this wave C will break structure, reject structure, and end up going back down. Maybe this really is the wave 3, a wave 4, and a wave 5 on the daily time frame. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, like I said, this move up looks more like a trend to me. It looks like we're more likely in a wave A right here. Most likely we're in a wave B right now, so I bet that this move down is like an A. I bet it's going to make like a B and then probably down again for a C. I think at some point this is going to make another impulsive up like I showed on the 4 hour time frame. So this would be like an A, this would be a crescent to the move. The move that we're in now is most likely a crescent to this move up. So an A, a crescent to the move up, wave B, and eventually back up for wave C. I think this pattern is easier and better seen on the 4 hour time frame like I was just showing. So yeah, I think we're most likely in a wave B, and eventually we will end up drifting back up for the wave C. Maybe this is all a wave 4 on like the daily time frame. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.